In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Amazon effectively, making the most of their free shipping options and today's deals. If you're new to Amazon, or just looking for some tips on how to navigate the site more efficiently, this guide is just for you. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and head on over to Amazon's website. You can do this by typing in budia.amazon.com in your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by Amazon's homepage, which may feel a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Next, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login information. Make sure you have your email address and password handy to make this process smooth and hassle-free. If you haven't set up an account yet, there's usually an option right there to create one. Setting up an account will allow you to track orders, save payment information, and enjoy personalized recommendations. Now comes the exciting part: browsing. If grabbing a deal that includes free shipping is your priority, you'll want to explore the free shipping zone. From the homepage, look around for a link or banner that usually prominently features this option. Clicking on this will open up a curated list of items that qualify for free shipping, which can often be a major cost-saving perk. Being able to get your desired products delivered to your door at no extra cost is always a win. Alternatively, if discounts are what you're after, you'll want to check out today's deals. You'll find this section usually at the top part of the screen. Click on it, and you'll gain access to a wide range of products that are currently being offered at discounted rates. It's a fantastic way to snag some top-quality items while saving a bit of extra money in the process. Once you identify a product you want, clicking through to its page will give you more detailed information about it, from specifications to customer reviews. Reviews can be particularly helpful in making informed purchase decisions. If everything looks good and you're ready to buy, click the Add to Cart button. This will save the item in your shopping cart, where you can continue to browse for more products or proceed directly to checkout. When you're ready to complete your purchase, simply go to your cart and hit Proceed to Checkout. And there you have it. Shopping on Amazon doesn't have to be a complicated affair. With these tips in hand, you can navigate through the site with ease, capitalizing on their free shipping offers and fantastic deals. I hope you find this guide helpful. Happy shopping!